Cows are the source of finance and livelihood for many cattle caregivers. Taking care of them becomes of most importance, especially when they are in their post-calving phase. Calving is definitely a challenging period if you are the cow-calf caregiver. It's understandable because you have to deal with challenging environmental conditions and increased cattle nutritional requirements. Hence, caring for the cow after calving is significant. We can do so by giving the cow clean water to drink immediately after she has calved, as she will be thirsty. However, immediately after calving, the cow has a low appetite and will not eat as much feed as the body may require. In addition to taking care of the animal's surroundings, it is necessary to stimulate recovery and offer them comfort during the post-calving phase. That's because cows undergo several health ailments post-mothering, and that leads to an adverse impact on their productivity and reproductivity. Not only does this deteriorate the health of the animals, but also leaves dairy farmers with monetary burden. Let's address those underlying causes of loss of productivity and reproductivity before they become a serious issue in animals. Introducing brand Kamdhenu, post-calving solution for optimum performance.